Meaning of feather boa.
Feather boa.
Feather boa.
Feather boa.
Feather boa. A feather boa is a long, fluffy accessory worn around the neck as a fashion statement or for theatrical purposes. It is typically made of long, thin feathers attached to a cord or ribbon. The boa has been a popular accessory since the 19th century and is often associated with a glamorous, vintage aesthetic. Feather boas come in a variety of colors, sizes, and materials, but are primarily used for decorative purposes rather than for warmth. They are commonly seen at costume parties, burlesque performances, and fashion shows.